Oh my god, guys, we ran out of ingredients.
How we get our ingredients?
We need to get some new ones.
One, so we need to find a weapon. Indeed. We seem to be
Wow.
lost though. I have my trusty shank. That's a told off weapon. Indeed, indeed. It does look very sharp, doesn't it? Oh dear, we seem to be lost in the woods.
Is that our, that's a woodland house over there?
Yeah, it's a cabin, a wooden cabin. Trying to see a bit of our prey. Indeed, he seems to
Ooh, he
be dead.
snapped that. I wish he could just snap my neck.
Ow! You have to go and hunt your prey. That's what I'm doing. Example. Joe, I want to see that part. That was good.
No.
Oh, you bum. Nah. You know what?
What have we got?
Nutritional value.
Let me see it.
Yes, good one. Numero uno, nutritional value.
There's a scary man down there. Okay, we gotta run away.
Acting 100.
Oh, I'll get round, don't worry guys. Don't worry guys, I'm in, I made it.
Indeed. I seem to have been touched by a 4-year-old.
Oh my god, there's a scary man in there!
Step 2. Nag the object above a substance.
Ooh, yum yum.
Fire! Indeed! Food. Spiky boy. You have no weapon fucking in.
He's singing Liduta. You found the what here?
I found a pigeon. Made friends with him.
Cool. Go step 5 fence.
Fence. Fence.
Step number 6, boys.
Sacrifice.